The morning broke, the stone was rolled. Angels stood, their robes like gold. Hearts were trembling, eyes so wide, but the angel spoke with arms open wide. Do not be afraid, I know who you seek, Jesus the crucified. But he is not here, no, he is risen, just like he said he's alive. Come see the place where the Savior lay, then go and shout it, he conquered the grave. Tears turned to wonder, silence broke, hope rose again with every word he spoke. From the garden to